The Constitution of India. Part 3. Fundamental Rights. Right to constitutional remedies. Article 35. Legislation to give effect to the provisions of this part. Notwithstanding anything in this Constitution, Parliament shall have, and the Legislature of a state shall not have, power to make laws with respect to any of the matters, which, under Clause 3 of Article 16, Clause 3 of Article 32, Article 33 and Article 34 may be provided for, by law, made by Parliament. And, for prescribing punishment, for those acts, which are declared to be offences under this part. And Parliament shall, as soon as may be after the commencement of this Constitution, make laws, for prescribing punishment, for the acts referred to in sub-clause 2. Any law, in force, immediately before the commencement of this Constitution, in the territory of India, with respect to any of the matters, referred to in sub-clause 1 of Clause A, or providing for punishment for any act, referred to in sub-clause 2 of that clause shall, subject to the terms thereof, and to any adaptations and modifications that may be made therein, under Article 372, continue in force until altered, or repealed, or amended, by Parliament. Explanation. In this article, the expression, law in force, has the same meaning as in Article 372.